Okay, so on the train now, it's pretty easy boarding. Actually, you just wait for you look at your train number on the screen, and once that happens, then you will find, I think it tells you where to go, like obviously what track, what platform number to go to. So once you see your platform number, then you just head to that platform, and then right under, like on the platform, like each monitor has like the car number, so you just have to stand by the car number. Mine was 2, so you stand by 2, and then once everybody gets off, because the train is usually pulling in from someplace, so once everybody gets off, you get right on, and then you, if you have a suitcase, you put your suitcase where it belongs. Like my suitcase is right over there, so I put my suitcase there, and then my seat is right by the suitcase, so I don't have to lock my luggage. But pretty easy. I'm glad I got a single seater. You book in advance. I use Rail Italia or Italia Rail, one of those. Which one goes first? You use that, and then you just book online, book the seat number, and they give you the layout of the train. And then I chose the single seat because I knew I was going to be recorded, and I wanted the window because I wanted to like see the scenery as I'm driving by. As I'm riding front. But yeah, pretty straightforward. Not as scary as I thought it was going to be. Not scary, I don't think it's scary, but not as hard as I thought it was going to be. If you do come to Italy or Europe, I recommend taking the train. It's so easy. It's a cheap way to get around the city. But you can also do it at one to you have a table. This is my tripod. I don't think I'm going to be using this. There should be an outlet to, yep, there is. So, what's the sign? There's an outlet to plugs. Obviously, always travel with your international plugs because obviously you don't have the same plugs as the United States plugs. So, I'm trying to find my plug. Anyways, there's a leg stand here where you can rest your legs, relieve. So, the plugs are right here under the seat. So, you would have to have an international plug and then just plug it in. This is a bin. So I brought my phone charger. That's a garbage bin, and then the leg stand. So that's your leg. So cool. Yeah. So that's it. I'm gonna just relax and just try to get some work on.
For something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. This wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. inside.
Business class, when you're on business class, they give you a complimentary like welcome aboard package. So it comes in water and